Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize smart lights using Philips Hue plus Alexa. Full guide step by step clearly. To authorize your Philips Hue smart lights using Alexa, start by ensuring your Philips Hue lights are set up and functioning. Plug in your Philips Hue bridge and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Download the Philips Hue app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Philips Hue app and follow the prompts to create an account or log in. Once logged in, the app will guide you to search for your smart lights. Make sure all your Hue bulbs are powered on. Once the app detects your lights, assign them to rooms as needed. Next, download the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone if you haven't already. Open the Alexa app and sign in with your Amazon account. Tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner. Select Skills and Games from the menu. In the search bar, type Philips Hue and select the Philips Hue skill from the list. Tap on the Enable button to turn on the skill. You will be prompted to log in to your Philips Hue account. Enter your Philips Hue credentials to link the accounts. After linking, Alexa will automatically discover your Hue lights. The app will notify you once the discovery process is complete. You can now assign custom voice commands to your Philips Hue lights. To do this, simply say Alexa, turn on the light name. You can also create routines in the Alexa app for more complex control. Test the functionality by trying different commands with your Hue lights. Ensure your Philips Hue bridge remains connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Alexa device for optimal performance. You are now ready to enjoy hands-free control of your smart lighting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.